Solving the resolution force with an example. Hello everyone. Consider a man who pulls a box with a rope with force of 2000 Newton at an angle 30 degree to the horizon. We talked about horizontal and vertical component of the forces. Resolution of the force can be reviewed in this video. Stay with us, dear ones. Let's start with first example. If we want to simulate in this formula of the free diagram, first we draw the coordinate axis at the point of the applied forces. Instead of the root, we draw the force of the 2000 Newton at an angle 30 degree to the horizon. Then, using the topic taught in the trigonometry video available in our web media, we begin to analyze vectors. Be sure to watch the trigonometry video. The horizontal component of the force is 2000 newtons. 2000 cosine of 30 degree is equal to the 1732. The vertical component is 2000 sine 30, which is 1000 Newton. Now, if we want to write the vector form, will be 1732I plus 1000J. Get it? Let's start example 2. Let's solve the second example together. The problem give us the vector form of the first and ask us to resultant of the first vector and also the angle of it to the horizon. Consider such a force applied to the box from the point of the application of the force. Since the sign behind the number of the positive, we go to the right for 1732 units and then go up to the 1000 units, and we draw from the first point to end. As you see in this picture, you see the behind the number is positive. In x, go right. If it's positive, you can go up. The problem again becomes to the triangle problem. The tangent theta is opposite side to the adjacent side. If we take r, the angle will be 30 degree. In order to obtain the resultant of the first, according to our previous educational video, we use the Pythagoras theorem. Resultant can be 2000 newtons. The answer is theta is 30 degree and the resultant vectors is 2000 newtons. The result. We review the vector resolution and resultant, also trigonometry, by giving an example. We confirm that if a force is applied to an object, we can calculate its horizontal and vertical component. We have evaluated more advanced issue in our website, which are not available in our places. Let's not forget that It's important how to reach the destination.